Hey everybody! Have you ever wondered how long it takes us on a Monday after all of our weekend sales? That's some of the hardest times. Well, this is what a typical Monday looks like for us. These are our UPS packages. Under the red lids were our post office packages. We ship a lot of our post office packages on Saturdays, but this is a lot of work. But we have got to package all the rest of the sales. So here we go.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
I know you guys are super excited to hear about the ASD Market Week Roadshow that we went to in Dallas. You will get to see that video tomorrow. So here are all the packages that we labeled over the weekend that we're actually putting out for the UPS guy. A lot of them are from the fire sale and maybe some sales that occurred on Friday and Saturday. And then we're going to take all the packages that we have. There's Paul waving there. And we're actually reading the names and checking to see if they paid for their fire sale item. And if they did, we have the weight already written on them. We label them and put them outside to be picked up. So these are all fire sale packages that we're currently going through right now. And then we'll be packaging things that were orders off the store in just a moment. But the fire sale packages are the easiest because they're already pre-boxed from Friday night and they have the weight on them. This is also the day that I normally send a reminder to anyone who hasn't paid for their fire sale item, or a lot of times it gets lost in the weekend emails for some folks, so I always send one on Monday. Paul right here is gathering up an order off the store. So those are different things that sold. A lot of our new product is sitting over there far away where he's gathering it up, and we have not yet put them on the shelves, so he's just gathering it up real quick, building a box, and loading everything in and making sure it's securely padded. Well, he's pretty fast at that. Then we're checking more of the fire sale items. If you don't know where I am, I'm sitting off to the left of the camera at my computer. So these are more fire sale items that have sold. This is a typical Monday for us. We usually spend probably anywhere from 3 to 5 hours packaging all of the items on Monday so that we can ship them out, because you guys are awesome and buy stuff on the weekend, which is amazing for us. So those are all the ones that he's just sliding down on the table there are people who have not yet paid for their fire sale item. So we're still going through the names. Anything he brings over, I put a label, he puts a label on. So we had about 40 buyers on last week's fire sale. And so we're just making sure all of them, and I think we're down to all but about 7 boxes have been paid for. 3 of them I have no information on. They failed to send it to me to hookedonpickin@gmail.com. So we're just hoping that we can get some info. But if we don't in the next few days, then we unbox it and put it on next week's fire sale. I only hold the no information boxes for a week. Okay, we're going to change positions here. So now Paul is working on gathering up anything that was a mystery box item purchase or just directly off Hooked on Pickin. We also do some Poshmark during this portion of the video, but this is where he's gathering individual items to put in each box. And then I'm looking up and printing little sheets of paper. And so I was having some issues with my dyno printer as well. They did an update, and now my Dymo doesn't work, so we'll have to figure that out. It's just my little one, not my ones for the labels. And so he's gathering up each individual item. We're dressed in orange and black today because we'll be going to a football game on this Monday night where James got to play tons. Okay. Proud mama moment. Here's James lined up on the line. He's number 60 there. Sorry, had to do a proud mama moment. So he's enjoying football this year. Paul is still continuing to package items off the store. And like I said, this process takes about 3 to 5 hours for us on a typical Monday. So we always polybag as much as we can, especially stuffed animals, anything with fabric. Stuffed animals, clothing, always goes into a poly bag because we never know what the shipper is actually going to do with the item. Anytime a package is shipped and damaged in transit, you can always contact me. My return policy is that you go ahead and return it to me and then you can get a refund. But normally we try to do our best so that everything arrives on time. And so I have to, if you watch me, I'm actually putting things on the scale, and I do have to weigh these packages because they're not pre-weighed like all of the fire sale ones. So I just type in the order number. Each thing that Paul is using to pack them has an order number. And so our progress so far right here is we've got these ones going for regular post office inside the totes. And these are all my UPS pickups. My UPS guy loves me. Anyway, so this is all going to be put, I think they need a whole separate truck just for us, I feel like. And then we're going to keep continuing to package. And so I start to help put some things together. And what I do before I start is I print what's called pick tickets. And so I go on the store, I'm able to print everything that goes inside on my Dymo label writer so I'm not wasting any ink. And then that's what I'm looking off right now. I gather up all the items, and then I'm able to box everything up. That one had a tote bag in it, and they picked a specific color, so I wanted to make sure I got the proper design. So that's why I went over to the computer to check. So on this one, my printer decided not to print the last page of what they ordered. So I had boxed it all up, went to the order and went, wait a minute, they get more stuffed animals. And so in that process, I have to actually unbox. Oh, actually, this was a different one. I'll be unboxing another one in the future of this video. We have our St. Patrick's Day dresses on sale because it's past St. Patrick's Day, but if you'd like to buy one, they are on discount on hookedonpickin.com. Paul is feverishly still working over there, gathering everything needed. So it looks as though he's built a mystery box there. And then he's also building another box because the smaller box is the mystery box. And then the other box is the other items the person bought off the store. So that's a typical day on a Monday. We put all of the packages outside and we have a pickup scheduled for later that afternoon. And then our good buddy in the brown truck will pick up the majority of our things. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.